Hi Pine class, today in our maths lesson we're going to learn to calculate the perimeter of rectangles. Now just as a reminder, the perimeter is the distance all the way around the outside edges of a shape. Now we're going to look at two examples that you're going to encounter today. The first example, you can see that I've made a rectangle out of matchsticks. And in this instance, the lengths of each of the sides have been given to us. So we can see that the top length is 8 centimetres, as is the opposite bottom length, and the two side lengths are both 4 centimetres. So to calculate the perimeter of this rectangle, we simply need to add up the lengths of all of these sides. So the calculation we would do, which is shown in purple, is 8 centimetres plus 8 centimetres plus 4 centimetres plus 4 centimetres. And if you add up the lengths of all those sides, you will get a total of 24 centimetres. Therefore, the perimeter of this top rectangle is 24 centimetres. Now, you sometimes might also get examples where the lengths of all of the sides aren't given, and you need to work out what the lengths of the missing sides are before you work out the perimeter. So if we look at the slightly larger rectangle on the bottom, you will see that one of the vertical sides has been given a length. It says 12 centimetres. But on the opposite side, the other vertical length, there's a question mark. We haven't been given that length. And that's the same with the horizontal length. We've been given a measurement for the bottom horizontal length, that's 8 centimetres, but we haven't been given a measurement for the top horizontal length. Now, it should be very easy to work out what those missing measurements are. If we look at the vertical length, the 12 centimetres, if you look at the one opposite, where the question mark is, they are exactly the same lengths. So we know that this opposite length is also 12 centimetres. It's exactly the same rule with the horizontal length. If you look at the 8 centimetre one, that is exactly the same distance as the top horizontal length. So both of those should be 8 centimetres. Now, in order to work out the perimeter, you can either use the method that we used for the top one, which is to add up the lengths of all the sides. So in purple you can see we would do 12 centimetres plus 12 centimetres plus 8 centimetres plus another 8 centimetres gives us a perimeter of 40 centimetres. But there is another method that you can use instead if you prefer. The other way to do it is to add up the two lengths that we have been given, so the 12 centimetres and the 8 centimetres, which gives us 20 centimetres, and then to times that 20 centimetres by 2, because we know that there are actually two lengths that are 12 centimetres and two lengths that are 8 centimetres. So if you do your 20 centimetres times 2, you will still get your 40 centimetres, showing that the perimeter of this rectangle is 40 centimetres. Those are the two different methods you can use. In the worksheet today, you'll be asked to use both of those methods. So have a go, and I'm looking forward to seeing how you get on working out the perimeter of different rectangles. Good luck!